Good evening, my dear students. This is Vajisa, Visit in English. My dear students, I would like to teach today in this class speech, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech. See here, what is meant by direct speech and what is meant by indirect speech? Direct speech means when we are talking to others or when somebody talk to others, what we talked and what others talk to us, we can say to others in two ways. So the information we can report in two ways. One a direct way and one is an indirect way. Direct way means exactly the words came from the mouth of the person, from your mouth or from the mouth of others. Exact words, if you write between inverted commas, that is called direct speech. Indirect speech means by converting the exact words of others in a meaningful manner. If you say to others with your own words, that is called indirect speech. That means we are saying meaning of the other person's words to others. Meaning of the exact words of the others we are saying to others. That is called indirect speech. For example, he said, I am a doctor. See here, what one person said, I am a doctor. See here, this is called direct speech. Because one person said something. What he said? I am a doctor, he said. How can we say these are the exact words came from the mouth of this person? Because these words we kept between inverted commas. So when words of somebody, if you mention between inverted commas, that is called direct speech. Now, by changing the meaning of the sentence with our own words, if you say this sentence to others, that is indirect speech. For example, he said that commas, inverted commas, we have to remove. Commas, inverted commas, please, that too we have to write. He said that. Who said? He said. What did he say? I am a doctor. That means he said about himself. So I will become he. He was a doctor. Or he is a doctor also we can write. So this is called indirect speech. Indirect speech. Indirect speech means the meaning of the exact words of this person we formed into sentence by removing commas, inverted commas. That's why that is called, this sentence is said to be indirect speech. Commas, inverted commas are there, direct speech. Without commas, inverted commas, indirect speech. So see here, this is one class, this is another class. He said, this is main class, that he was a doctor, this is a subordinate class, other class. These two classes are joined by the conjunction that. So, exact words of the person, if you say with our own words to others, that is called indirect speech. So before we discuss direct and indirect speech, we can talk any sentence in different ways. That means there are four types of sentences in English language. Assertive sentence or a declarative sentence. Assertive sentence, declarative sentence, simply they say the facts of the subject. What he said, I am a doctor. This is the fact relating to this person. So sentence started with the subject. After that, all verbs are there, verb. Next, remaining words. With the full stop, it ends. This is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence. So interrogative sentence. For example, am if you write before the subject means be forms, have forms, modal auxiliaries. If you write before the subject, that is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, assertive sentence, assertive sentence. For example, I finished my work. Here, subject, verb, plus remaining, full stop. This is called assertive sentence. Or declarative sentence. This is the first one. And the second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Here, finished. Helping verb we have to write. Finished is equal did plus finish. Did I finish my work? This is interrogative sentence. Helping verb, subject, main verb. This is interrogative sentence. Come here. This is the main verb plus other words. Full stop is it. This is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Giving orders, a request. That is called imperative sentence. The sentence which is used to give orders, commands, and requests. That is called imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feeling. Hurrah! We have won the game. This is exclamatory sentence because it expresses sudden feeling. Alas, the old man died. Alas, sudden feeling. This is a pitiable feeling. This is a happy feeling. So, 4 types of sentences are there in the English language. Any sentence we can take in a direct speech. That's why first of all we have to know 4 types of sentence. Whatever the sentence it might be in a direct speech, but all the sentences in a speech should be in assertive form or declarative form. This is very, very important thing. All indirect speeches should be changed into assertive form. That means interrogative sentence also immediately we have to change it into assertive form. Did I finish my work? Assertive sentence, I finished my work. Here, come here. This one also with the 2 we have to write. This one also we have to change it into assertive sentence. So what you have to understand is, in a direct speech we can use 4 types of sentence. But in indirect speech, all sentences should start with after conjunction subject only. Interrogative sentence also. Imperative sentence means with the TO2. Exclamatory sentence also with the subject we have to write. So what you have to understand is all indirect speeches should end with the full stop. Full stop means assertive sentence. So indirect speech, which sentence we have to use? Assertive sentence we have to use. So direct speech we can use 4 types of sentences. Now come to the point. Direct speech into indirect speech. While you are changing, see here what are the rules we have to follow. So this is called, first one you see here, this is called a reporting verb. Reporting verb. What is the reporting verb? This is said is called reporting verb. This am is called a reported verb. reported verb. See here, the tense of the reported verb depends upon the reporting verb. This is here also reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. This is called reported verb. Reported verb. Reporting verb. So reporting verb is in past tense. Compulsory reported verb should be in past tense. But is I wrote here means this is the profession of the person. We can write present tense. Otherwise, simply past tense only write. So the verb between inverted commas should be changed according to the verb of the reporting verb. Reporting verb past tense is there. This verb also should be written in past tense. So that is the first step. Commas, inverted commas. Commas, inverted commas should be removed. This is the first step. We have to understand why they are changing direct speech into indirect speech. Now, second one. Reported verb should be changed according to reporting verb. Reporting verb means reported verb is in past tense. Reporting verb is in past tense. Reported verb should be in past tense. We have to change. Now, third one. That means here tense we have to change. That is important. Third one. Pronouns. In reported speech, should be changed according to the person. According to the person said the words. Said the words. See here. Who said these words? This person. So pronoun I is there. So any person in this world, every person, man or woman, while they are saying about themselves, I they use it. If man is talking, I will become he. Woman is talking, I will become she. Who can say I? Human being only can say. How many types of human beings are? Man, woman. Man is there, I will become he. Woman is there, I will become she. So the pronouns between inverted commas are changed according to the person who said these words between inverted commas. Now, place and time of the words between inverted commas. Of the words between inverted commas should be changed. In a proper manner. For example, today is there, it will become that day. Yesterday, the previous day. So tomorrow, the next day. Next day, the following day. Like that we can change it. Here, time, place not there. Now is there, it will become then in indirect speech. So rules we are going to learn. First of all, direct to indirect speech while you are changing. First of all, we have to remove commas and inverted commas. In commas and inverted commas place, we have to use conjunction. That the conjunction we have to use. Conjunction that we have to use between commas and inverted commas. This is assertive sentence. And otherwise, we can use if also if it is interrogative sentence. If it is interrogative sentence, if or whether also. If or whether also we can use according to the nature of the sentence between commas. That or if or whether we can use between comma in place of comma and inverted commas. So these are the rules you have to follow. So these rules clearly later we can discuss all those things. Now one by one. So when sentences are in assertive form, how to change? When sentences in direct speech or in interrogative form, how to change? When sentences between inverted commas, imperative sentence, how to change? Exclamatory sentences are used in direct speech, how to change? We are going to discuss one by one.